Bengaluru North Lok Sabha seat is a significant seat in the state of Karnataka. This seat is the largest in the state and the third largest Lok Sabha seat in the country. This time, it's an all-out battle between BJP's Shobha Karandlaje and Congress's Rajiv Gowda. Take a look at this report.
A BJP stronghold for the 4 consecutive Lok Sabha elections. Bengaluru North, the largest constituency in Karnataka and the third largest in the country. Home to 31 lakh voters, it's predominantly Vokkaliga. Meet Union Minister Shobha Karandlaje, shifting from Udupi Chikmagalur constituency to Bengaluru North as the BJP candidate.
Shobha Karandlaje filed her nomination from Bangalore North this morning. We need to wait and watch how the contest in Bangalore North is going to unfold, because squaring off against her is Rajiv Gowda, who is also a strong Vokkaliga candidate. And right now, as we speak, Shobha Karandlaje made a mention that Prime Minister Narendra Modi will come back to power and all the 28 seats in Karnataka will be won by BJP.
Karandlaje campaigning fiercely to retain the seat. Won by her party colleague, former State Chief Minister D.V. Sadanand Gowda in 2019, who was denied a ticket this time. Despite complaints of neglect in her previous constituency, Karandlaje denies facing anti-incumbency sentiments.
कोई एंटी इनकमेंसी नहीं था, सब लोग ठीक थे, सब लोग अच्छे थे, कोई टिकट चाहते थे वो कुछ बोल रहे थे, बट उधर हम अच्छा काम किया, केंद्र सरकार से बहुत सारे संस्था हम लाया, इसलिए उधर भी बहुत अच्छा था.
She's promising solutions to long-standing issues like water scarcity.
ट्रांसपोर्ट का इशू है, ट्रैफिक का इशू है, इसे गांव में भी पीने का पानी का बहुत ज़्यादा इशू है, इसीलिए तो इसको हल करने के लिए सोचेंगे, क्योंकि राज्य सरकार भी मदद देना, केंद्र से क्या क्या कर सकते हैं उसको करने के लिए कोशिश करूँगा.
The Congress candidate, a former Rajya Sabha member, argues for change. A Vokkaliga leader, he accuses the BJP MPs from the state of underperforming.
The atmosphere around me is electric. People are charged up. They want to go out there and campaign for the Congress. They want to campaign for me. They want to make sure that the victory of the India Alliance starts from Bengaluru North.
Gowda's campaign emphasizes lake rejuvenation and development.
There is also a negative sentiment against the BJP, and there is a very positive sentiment towards the Congress and towards me as a candidate as well. We will be able to do amazing work together to transform Bengaluru, Karnataka and India.
Bengaluru North votes on April 26, determining whether it sticks to the status quo or opts for change. With Anaga Keshav in Bengaluru, Bureau Report, India Today.